more than 70% of Uganda's population under the age of 35, coupled with 50% of those under the age of 25, the most sexually active population in Uganda is at danger. With little or no access at all with sexual reproductive health and rights services, some are vulnerable. Some cannot even access the nearest health center too for consultation or guidance. Uganda may be destined to doom. The youths face many challenges and would like to have access to this information. Sexual reproductive health and rights is a key component in controlling our population and a meaningful, productive population. Many youth have suggested that they need more of mental, sexual reproductive health and rights, access to services. Many have come up to say that it is not they alone who suffer, but the people in the leadership need to take circles. In the community, the cultural leaders have to come up and act so that the young people can access sexual reproductive health and rights information and services. Uganda has several laws that look at adolescent health, school health policies, the National Health Insurance Scheme that is just being drafted again in Parliament. All these, if put in place, would help ease the situation that is in Uganda among the youth. Action needs to be taken, just like Reproductive Health Uganda Executive Director Jackson Chekweko says.
Our main mission is to promote access to sexual and reproductive health and rights, especially vulnerable communities, underserved communities, and especially young people aged 10 to 24. And we also serve the other population outside that. As an organization, we are a volunteer-owned and run organization. We are owned by a group of volunteers. We have over 4,000 volunteers that are spread across the country, and the organization is organized in form of branches, and we have 18 branches, and each branch covers a sub-region.
In the vulnerable communities, even in urban areas, there are people who need this information. We need to get together as a team, as Ugandans, and help the youth to have a brighter future.
Subscribe, share, and hit that bell for more truth videos.